All right, so if you saw the last video of the straight piped M5, this is it, 2023 F90 M5 competition. Individual color, not a wrap. You'll never see this color anywhere. I don't know how Andy found this color because it doesn't exist anywhere somehow.
Yeah.
This must have been like a 101. So we're gonna go through the mod list and Andy's gonna walk through everything that's done to the car.
All right, so it's 2023 F90 competition with frozen deep individual gray. It's a special order color. This is more common on the G90s and F90 pre-LCIs, but somehow I found, this is the only one I could find online with this color. We got carbon grille, carbon air inlets, carbon lip. We lowered it on H&R lowering springs, the M550 ones. If you guys didn't know, the M550 ones sit a little bit lower than the M5 lowering springs. So that's what I have. It drives and handles way better with those. I got 15 millimeter spacers in the front, 10 millimeters in the back, carbon mirror caps, obviously carbon roof. And then we got, it's a little dirty right now, but we got just black interior, calm.
Massaging seats.
Massaging, cooled, heated, ventilated, Alcantara headliner. Bowers & Wilkins sound system, the best sound system I've heard. Honestly, if you're gonna get an M5, you have to get the Bowers sound system. They light up when the car's on. Yeah, great feature. And you got
way better than the Harman Kardon.
Soft close doors.
Yeah, that's a crazy feature.
Yeah, soft close, and then Michelin PS4s, obviously. Great wheel. We got carbon spoiler, carbon diffuser, and then we got the M Performance exhaust. So I didn't know this car had this. I thought this was a wrap. And I didn't know it had this, so I thought the dealership was like taxing. But once I found out it had these, I knew it was a good deal. So M Performance exhaust, I believe it's a 7 to 8K option. It's much louder than the stock one I rented. If you want to keep your car like OEM plus, great exhaust, you'll get pops, bangs with that. But now I wanted it louder and I want the turbo whistle, so we got the MAD primary and secondary Catless downpipes. Super loud. We just got pulled over like an hour ago. We got a warning, but
finally happened.
Yeah, finally happened. I deserved it. But we got a warning. It is super loud with just the MPE and the Catless downpipes. So great setup. I think my friend has just Rest Delete and Catless downpipes. So if you want to make yours just super loud, that's all you need. About to get crashed. 1K mods is all you need to make this sound crazy. So now we're gonna do some driving videos, flybys, cold start, and all that. Yeah.
So there's only the MPE and Performance exhaust and the MAD Catless downpipes.
Yeah. It has the super small resonator. We got the Project Gamma front mount intakes.
These are the inventories.
No, Project Gamma. You can see them right here. Very mean. The only reason I got them is because you could see them through here, and I think the front mounts are a little bit louder. So yeah, these are super loud. If you just do this and an exhaust without even downpipes, your car's gonna sound great. You could hear these from like 3 blocks away.
Yeah, these make it sound like aftermarket turbo.
Yeah, literally. And then coolant tank, we still got the plastic one. People say it leaks. I'm gonna have to upgrade it. It's a leaky coolant tank. It can literally ruin your whole engine. So if you have M5, M6, or M8, you probably want to get that done. It's like $1,000 to get an aluminum one. I don't know why they made it plastic.
They actually say that?
Yeah,
that happens?
It was a warrant. They had a recall on it.
Oh.
So, but look, this used to be air boxes. So if you get the Project Gammas or front mounts, look how much room you have. Like, I don't know if you want to add extra stuff in your engine bay. But
and what are those?
I feel like my coolant temps have been a little bit better. Or my
yeah, no, it sounds nasty.
Yeah, it sounds nasty.
Like you just do this, it sounds like aftermarket turbos 100%.
That's all you need. Yeah, very clumped engine bay. This engine has like 80 hoses, I'm pretty sure. It's super complicated. Very expensive engine to work on. But yeah, downpipes took like 5 hours.
Front mount. Looks good.
Yeah, front mounts.
Yeah, these sound amazing.
We
can definitely speak on these. We don't know about the Venturi sound. sir.
Very loud. No valves on that key. That's the issue. No valves. Your neighbors are gonna hate you.
No valves.
You got a nasty lineup right now.
Okay, not here, Andy. This is such a bad street. There's so many cops in this street. No, it's on another street.
Another street, another street!
Oh, that was nasty. Dude, you can hear that from that far.